Have you ever been stuck waiting for an OTP and it just never arrives? You're not alone. OTPs, or one-time passwords, are essential for online security, banking, and logins, but sometimes delays happen. And today, I'll show you exactly why and what you can do to fix it fast. Stay until the end. I'll also share safer alternatives when SMS OTPs fail. An OTP is a temporary security code used for one login or transaction. Unlike regular passwords, an OTP expires quickly, which makes it harder for hackers to use. OTPs can be delivered through SMS, email, or authentication apps like Google Authenticator. But what if the OTP never shows up? Let's break it down. There are a few main causes: weak network or Wi-Fi issues. Your phone simply isn't receiving messages. Server delays, the sender system is overloaded. Wrong phone number or country code, the OTP goes to someone else. Carrier filters, your mobile operator may block automated messages. Spam filters or blocked numbers in messaging apps. Device glitches, background apps, or software errors stop messages. Understanding the cause makes fixing it much easier. Look at your signal bars. If they're low, move to an open area or near a window. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. Also, make sure airplane mode is off, and if needed, toggle it on and off again. A quick restart of the phone can also refresh the connection. Go to the account settings and check correct number, correct country code, no extra spaces or digits. If you recently changed numbers, update it. Many platforms will resend a fresh OTP to confirm. Restarting clears background bugs and refreshes messaging services. After rebooting, request the OTP again. This simple step fixes the problem for many users. Overloaded cache can delay or block messages. On Android, settings, apps, messaging app, storage, clear cache. On iPhone, reinstall the messaging app. This resets the cache. Then try requesting the OTP again. Ask them to check message blocking, spam filters, network outages, delivery logs. Sometimes OTPs are blocked at the carrier level, and only they can unblock it. If SMS keeps failing, switch to email OTP, authenticator apps, Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator. These work even without mobile signal and are usually more secure. Why didn't I get my OTP? Network, server delay, wrong number, or message blocking. Are OTPs secure? Yes, but never share your OTP with anyone. What if OTPs never come? Contact your carrier and switch to an authenticator app. Missing OTPs are frustrating, but with the right steps, they're usually easy to fix. Try these solutions in order, and you should regain access quickly and safely. For more information, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. Thanks for watching, and stay secure online.